this happen. All right, y'all. Today is the shoot. Just dropped my water. Today is the day. Let me grab my keys. Got the car all loaded up. Just gonna throw in a few more things. Helmets in there, jacks in the back, wheels and all that, spares in the back. Oil, just because I just did my oil change. But yeah, we're ready to go. We is ready to go. Hopefully today's a good day. I got my GoPro so I can put it on my helmet so you guys can get some good interior clips this time. I don't remember this drive being an hour and a half long, but it says it's an hour and a half, so wish me luck. And I'm gonna catch you guys when I get there. Just made it out here. Car's back there. I'm about to set up the car. Then we're gonna go take some laps. But look, Kyle. Yeah, I'm gonna set up the car, put my GoPro on, and then go see the track. Alright, I got my spares on. Nice, we about to go out. I'm gonna torque these down before my wheels fly off. Alright, y'all. I haven't drifted in second gear in so long. That was fun though. Woo! This shit. I'ma get this shit. I'm gonna just send the bank, flick in, then keep going, see what happens. on the channel now, bruh. Homie said he watched the channel. Yeah. But my car is doing good. I'm just driving like shit. Alright. The car's just like bogging down sometimes. It could just be because I'm not committing to shit too. And it's like either really wide in some spots or like really tight in some spots. When am I gonna ride with you?
We about to go out in a little bit. I'm gonna let my tires cool down for
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
This thing rips, bro. It's
Yeah, I've been seeing you hit the bank.
Dude, it's doing really good.
I haven't been hitting the bank.
Listen, man, if you ain't watching on Go, you in the wrong place, I swear to God.
Dude, you're fucking killing it.
I appreciate it, bro.
God damn. That entry is so sick. I think I'm getting scared to flick like towards the wall.
Yeah. I mean, scandal flicking is a little bit scarier, but like...
What's scandal flicking?
It's like where you kick left and then you kick out right too.
Starting to feel out the track a little bit better. Car's still doing good. Still good on tire. Yeah, I could honestly drive like all night on these tires. I hope the GoPro footage is good because, yeah, I hope it's good. I'm feeling out the track. I'm getting a little bit better. But there were some spots earlier that I was like mad scared, like especially a little Manji part. I love this Miata. I've seen it somewhere. I'm pretty sure the driver's like super young. This is the Manji section that I was talking about. Do it again, do it again! If y'all don't remember, that's Kyle. That's that dude that had the orange, ah yes! My videos before. Kyle's absolutely ripping. Like I rode with him earlier. He does the whole bank, links the whole track. Super jealous. I'm gonna try that bank a little bit later. tires aren't gonna be a problem for me. I just kind of wanted to, I was like spinning out everywhere on the track, so I was like, let me at least link like the inner turns. Fuck yeah. Hugging this fucking wall, Kyle. Nice.
Switching up, Brody came home.
So this happened. I don't think you guys can see it right now, but basically I smacked a barrier, bruh. It's I mean, it's not like terrible, but it's not like unnoticeable. So yeah, we'll be fixing, look out for the video where we'll be fixing this. I mean, this quarter was bad anyways, but now it's pretty terrible. I don't think I'm gonna cut it up just yet, because that's expensive, and I don't want to get bigger wheels yet. But yeah, I mean, we're still having fun. I'm gonna go out for a couple more laps. The GoPro's dead. I'll show you guys better this in the light, I don't know, tomorrow or something. Alright guys, one side of my tires is pretty cooked, so I think I'm done. Yeah, this side right here, I could kind of hear it and I didn't want it to blow up. Like last time I had one blow up and it just like, I don't know, I could hear it. But basically I'm gonna swap out these and then I'm gonna take it to the crib and then we'll assess the damages and I'll show you guys this dent in the light. But yeah, not too upset, but I'm kind of upset. It might hit me later, but it's part of it, right? All right, got the truck all loaded up. Today was a pretty good day. Besides, you know, that learning experience of smacking a barrier. It was a pretty good day. So, about a street back home, and then I'm gonna pick it up in the morning and show you guys this damage. All right, y'all, so as promised, I'm gonna show you this. Like, after thinking about it for a couple days, it's not as bad as, like, I feel like the dent is like pretty large and like mellow, if that makes sense to you, to the point where I feel like I could get like a good like suction cup and it's gonna get good grip on it. To pull it out, like I'll heat it up and then either that or pull the panel out from the inside and just like kick it out or something, or use one of those like pressure jack things. So like the dent, it's bad like in this part where it like ripped the paint. That's definitely gonna be hard to get out if I can even get that like little dent out, because like it dents further in here, like it dips down. But this in all is like pretty big and like just dips. So like what I'm thinking is I'll get a suction cup thing, attach it here, heat all this up and try to pull that out. It's not that bad. It's not like super noticeable. I'll paint it, whatever, and then in the future get some overs. Probably, you know, that always ends up happening with drift cars. Yeah, besides that, whenever I was on track, Kyle, or whenever I was in the pits, Kyle was like, hey, you're smoking like a little bit in the hood. And I like opened it up, didn't see any smoke or anything. So I don't know if it could have been coming from like the tires. I doubt it's the tires, whatever. But anyways, I checked my coolant level. When the car is cold, there's not even any coolant in that reservoir. Whenever the car gets hot, it comes up a little bit. So I don't know if it consumed coolant, leaked maybe a little bit after there's like a lot of pressure from beating on it. I don't know. I'm gonna put some coolant back in it, drive it around. Hopefully it's nothing serious, because I already signed up for an event in like 2 weeks, so be sure to look out for that. Subscribe so y'all don't fucking miss that. My bad, excuse my French. Subscribe so you guys don't miss that. Comment, let me know what I can improve in my driving. I know that after watching the videos, I know I should have hit that bank in third. Like the reason, I just needed more speed and I was already at the top of second, and that's just like why I was coming in like shallow on that turn. And if I would have just done it in third and probably shifted down like mid corner, I probably would have done that bank. And like I didn't even have to watch the videos to realize that. On the drive home, I was like, why did I never try third? So I mean, live and you learn. But for this next drift event, I'm putting a 391 in the car, putting that back in there. I had one before, so yeah. All right, enough of me talking. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.